At Uponor, we understand the quality of the products you choose for your projects is critical for your success. We spent decades doing research, continuous testing, and listening and understanding of our customers.
As a result, our products and systems adhere to strict quality standards that gives you reliable installations on every project.
Uponor manufactures millions of feet of PEX-a pipe each year right here in Apple Valley, Minnesota, and has more than 17 billion feet of pipe installed around the globe.
Uponor PEX-a pipe features shape memory, which creates a connection system that actually gets stronger over time. This helps reduce risk on the job site and within your piping systems. Uponor Piping Solutions helps speed installations, increase productivity, improve water quality, and provides greater sustainability to last the life of the structure.
Uponor PEX-a pipe is a trusted quality. It's what professionals rely on for their plumbing, heating, and cooling installations. Don't risk your reputation with anyone else. Trust Uponor for all your residential and commercial projects.